Hi, this is Asim and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create a profile backlink on atlasobscura.com. So let's get started. Type Atlas Obscura in Google and click this link. Now click on join. Now you can sign up with Facebook, Google or with your email. I'll continue with Google. You have to click I agree to the privacy policy and terms of use. Let's click it. Now click on continue with Google. Now let's choose a Google account. Click on continue. Now click continue for free. Now you have to enter your details. Enter your first name, last name, and your website address. Let's copy the address and paste it here. Now you can add your profile image if you want. Now add a little details about yourself. Let's paste it here and click on update profile. Now my profile backlink is ready. You can see here. Click on it to verify it's working properly. So it's working fine. This is how you can create a profile backlink on Atlas Obscura. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more SEO tips and drop a comment below if you have any question. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.